Today's title of the story is Grandfather's Account Will Not Fail. An old man was writing something on a piece of paper he was holding. Seeing this, his grandson said, "Grandpa, what are you writing?" he asked. "I had hired an air plow to plow the field. I am calculating how much rent I have to pay for 28 days at the rate of 54 rupees per day," said the grandfather. The grandson was very surprised to hear this. Grandpa once had told him that he didn't know multiplication tables, so he wondered how he could do this calculation. After a while, grandfather said, "I have to pay rupees 1,512 as rent." The grandson was more surprised. When he checked the mathematical method he studied in school, that multiplying the numbers 28 and 54 gives the answer 1,512. "You tell me that you don't know the multiplication table, Grandpa. Then how do you do this multiplication calculation correctly?" The grandson asked his grandfather in surprise. Hearing this, grandfather laughed heartily. "My lovely grandson, I don't know the multiplication table memorized, but addition, multiplication, and division can be done using other methods. I have done this calculation based on that," replied the grandfather. "How did you find out?" the grandson asked with great eagerness. Grandfather placed a white piece of paper on top of the card and wrote it down. "Children, look at the numbers and listen carefully to the grandfather's explanation." The grandfather explained his method of calculation to his grandson. Of the two numbers, 28 and 54, we have with us, we should first write the smaller number on the left and the larger number on the right. Now, the number on the left should be halved in each step. If any decimal point is found, then discard the decimal point and take only the whole number. Now start with the number on the right and double it at each step. This whole process should be terminated whenever 1 occurs on the left side. Now select all the corresponding right numbers which have odd numbers on the left. If we add the corresponding right numbers together, we can get the required multiplication value. This is another way of calculating the final answer.